From the roots of ancient wisdom to modern-day natural healing, castor oil has stood the test of time. Gentle, powerful, and deeply restorative, this golden elixir has been used for centuries to support the body, mind, and spirit. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it carries unique anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and lymph-activating properties. Unlike other oils, castor oil penetrates deeply into tissues, reaching into the bloodstream and fascia, where true healing begins. Used topically as a castor oil pack, this sacred oil supports liver detoxification, hormonal balance, pain and inflammation relief, lymphatic flow, digestive harmony, and immune support. It's a natural remedy that brings the body back into alignment, gently, without side effects, and in tune with the rhythms of nature. But castor oil's healing doesn't stop at the physical level. It holds the vibration of nurturing, of deep self-love. When you apply castor oil with intention, it becomes a ritual of self-care and energetic release. It helps us let go of what no longer serves us, softening the emotional body and restoring balance to the nervous system. To experience the full benefits, gently apply castor oil to the skin over your abdomen or area of concern. Cover with a wool or cotton flannel. Apply a warm heat pack. Relax for 45 to 60 minutes. Rinse with baking soda and water if desired. Make this a sacred practice. Even once or twice a week can create lasting change. You are your own healer.